Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville touch espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work as we had to replace one of the three-way valves that is located on the back of the machine. We had to figure out which one was it, as this machine has four different solenoid valves that take care of delivering water through the entire system. One takes care of delivering water to the hot plate, the other one takes care of delivering water from the solenoid valve to the other three-way solenoid valve, and then that one takes care of delivering water to the other two-way solenoid valve that is in the machine. So it's a very complicated system, but we were able to get the machine working once again. We're gonna do one Americano coffee, so that way we can test everything in one shot. Then we're gonna be using the steamer. Now I did grind it a little bit too much, so I'm just going to remove the rest and tamp this. We're grinding on the 12 setting of this machine. We're using our test coffee as well, and we're doing an Americano coffee. And we can go through the other side so we can watch the hot water dispense. And now we're gonna heat brew. Now the hot plate is gonna heat up, and then it's going to deliver hot water just like so. It's gonna get into that little cup, as you can see. Steady stream coming out from the one, and good temperature, as you see from the smoke. The steam coming from the hot water. There you go. Now the machine stopped dispensing hot water, and it's going to be dispensing now the coffee. It's going to be brewing. And like I say, it's doing an Americano spread coffee. And there you go, perfect cup, perfect quantity as well. Full cup of Americano coffee. And we're gonna now use the milk steamer. This steamer is a smart steamer, so it does need a little picture in order to actually automatically stop. It can automatically froth. You can kind of see the machine already asking us to place the jug on the sensor. But as you can see, nice steady steam coming out from the one. Excellent pressure, really good temperature as well. Gonna manually stop it, that's how you can stop it. And then I'm gonna just put it back where it's going to do the automatic rinsing cycle. It will dispense a bit of water from the tip, just like so. And then the machine will be back again, ready to brew and going back into the menu. So there you have it, Breville Barista Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.